Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang. Just smacked me head on the bloody camera yet again. Anyway, what have we got for you this time? And no, it's not a really thin model box. Honest. This is something completely different. This is a Go Mix Fly Model Bell Huey helicopter 133 scale, and it works out, it's 40 centimeters long, 11.5 centimeters wide, with a rotor diameter of 60.9 centimeters. And yeah, it's a paper model. Yeah, it's a paper model. Now, Frankie over at Frankie Day Productions got me into this. I've got a 144 Apollo launch umbilical tower that I'm currently doing, and I grew up with a lot of these. I've just done it again, smacked my head on that. I grew up with what was known back then as papercraft, and it was a book, and at the back of it you built the kit, and I thought they had long gone and that you couldn't get them. And he said, nah, he said you can still get paper models. So cut a long story short, I went out and ordered a couple, and it is absolutely stunning. Now, it gives you a picture of all the bits and bobs that you cut out and you shape, and how you shape it together. You build your inner frame, you know, you're actually building the helicopter pretty much as it was built at the factory, with all of its internal framing and that, and then the skin is wrapped around the inner frame, so it's pretty much how they were made. So you'll build all of that, and then you start putting on your skin. And yeah, alright, you're out with the scissors and your glue, Eileen's super tacky glue, will do the job. But you end up with this really massive kit, and I reckon with a few coats of Plasticoat or Pledge or any type of varnish that will harden, I think you're going to have a pretty resilient piece of work there. So, answers on a postcard. It could work, it could end up in tears, but you know, 11 quid, and you're ending up with a kit that's, yeah, massive, big kit, big helicopter, whirly noises. Yeah, at the end of the day, that's what that will be. So, if you want to watch someone cry like a girl building a paper model, I'm your man. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side, where no doubt I'll be talking about the other one of these I've got. Bye bye for now.